লখনউয়ের সাধারণ পরিবার থেকে ভারতের দ্বিতীয় মহাকাশচারী নিজের মাকে কিভাবে রাজি করিয়েছিলেন? কলকাতায় এসে ৮ বছরের এক স্কুল পড়ুয়াকে দারুণ টিপস দিলেন গ্রুপ ক্যাপ্টেন শুভাংশু শুক্লা।
It's a great question. It is a great point. All the parents were sitting. I think kids have flights of fantasy. They have dreams. Most of the times, we are the ones who restrict them. We tell them, you can do only this much or you can do that much. I'm not saying anything. I know out of concern. But I think education is required on both sides, not just for the child, but for the parent as well. Let them do. They are exceptionally brilliant. They will do things. They will do such incredible things that we can't even dream of. You be what you want to be, and if your mother stops you, don't tell them. I don't like it. I didn't tell my mother that I'm applying to be an astronaut. You also do the same. Okay?